All right, the topic is describe an introvert person whom you know. Please.
Personally, I do consider myself to be an ambivert. This is mainly because due to the reason I love spending time with people, but occasionally I do prefer some loneliness as well. However, I do believe that one of my friend Abdullah Farid is an introvert. This is mainly due to the reason I have known him from over a decade, and he has a couple of friends till now. That's it. He barely spends time beside his close allies, and he's readily available to present lame excuses to skip get togethers and festivals and any sort of uh, occasion where multiple people gather. I consider him to be an introvert because mainly because he spends time alone. His hobbies are very limited to activities such as reading books, and he only focuses on his studies. Secondly, he doesn't talk to strangers at all. He is a very shy person in nature. Surprisingly, his answers are limited to a few words to strangers, or sometimes he even gets to nod his head and nothing else than that. Therefore, I do consider him to be an introvert. Despite that, he is a very close friend of mine, and I do spend time with him, and it gives me a lot of information and energy as well.
Excellent. Very, very good. Brilliant. And you used signposting and expressing your ideas. Vocabulary was very good. Appropriate one. Keep it up like this. Okay. Why do people get nervous when they speak in public?
People do get nervous while speaking in public, mainly due to multiple reasons. The first reason that I believe is that people lack confidence a lot, especially in my country. People do like to skip such things than rather than getting first-hand experience and building up confidence. Secondly, people lack information about present topics, past topics as well. This limits their resources and as well as confidence as well. Therefore, I do believe these are the reasons why people avoid public speaking.
All right. I'll record some videos with you face to face. Okay? All the best. Thank you. Good job.